Hello, my name is Cesar Barrera, and I will talk about my future plans. Well, in a short term, I would like to finish my career, and then one of my future plans is to work in a big company of technology. Another thing that I would like to do is to study a master, especially in the area of economics. I would like to do it in the Instituto Tecnológico Autónomo de México or maybe in another country. I want to continue studying to obtain a good job or create my own business. Another plan is to buy a house and a car, and then maybe I get married at 28 years old. In the future, I wish to visit China or Japan because I am interested in their culture, history, and technology of those countries.